Hello, fourth graders. I write this to you from my home. My son is sick, so I'm going to stay home with him. He has a fever. He has an upset stomach, too. So I'm going to go over what you're going to do today in writing. So in writing, you'll notice that you have a new assignment called Public Service Announcement Part 1. And this is something that you're going to work on independently. You're going to do some work with a partner and some on your own. What I want to teach you is how to go through this slide. So the best way to go through this slide is actually to have it on present. And I'm not going to go through everything with you because I actually want you to explore this on your own. But if I tap the right arrow key, it takes me to my new place. And you'll notice sometimes that you have to click some things, and then you'll be able to see notes here. And then some things have videos, so you play the videos there. And you'll see that I have some fun pictures there. When you see a page like this and notice it's blank, make sure you click and you'll see some directions. What I want to show you next is sometimes you're going to have where you have to click here to do something. So these directions tell you what to do, and if you click here, it takes you to a new screen. So then in this case it takes you to a form. Sometimes it takes you to a Google Doc. And then you come back here and you're still in full screen once you go to your next slide. I need you to work up to here. This is something that I will have to do once you have followed the directions here, the previous slide. And then once we get past this part where you get partnered up by me, then the rest of it pretty much becomes on your own, where you're going to have some things where you can click and see a video that explains things. And the nice thing about this is that the videos are just like other videos where you're going to have more time than we usually get to rewind and watch it over and over. And you may need to watch a video 2 or 3 times or even more to understand it. Maybe you watch it once and you understand it. So you'll be doing some of this with your partner. And sometimes you're going to see directions with arrows here, so these arrows show you where to go and what to click on. And then here again, you've got this where it's going to tell you to open something and make a copy. So when you click a link like that, you'll go click make a copy, and then you'll have your own copy of it in your drive. And then sometimes you're going to be signing up to meet with me. You won't be doing this today. But you'll notice there are times here, and I have multiple days here, and I don't have days written in because I don't know when you're going to meet. But you just write your name and your partner's name there, and then that tells me that I need to meet with you during that time. So, what I need you to do is this. I'm going to go back. I need you to go through this slide, watch this, and remember, when you see something like that, it means watch that video. Go through here, go through here. Take your time with this part. This is the very important. It shows you what you're going to have to do and be graded on in this unit. And then you're going to go to here. So you're going to do slides 1 through 5. And again, do it in full screen. This is a persuasive writing unit we're going to do where you're going to be making what's called a public service announcement. They're explained for you right here. And you're also going to be writing a blog post too. This is a mistake where it says a letter to the editor. We're actually going to be writing blogs. So I'm going to change that here, and we'll see if it changes on yours. So that is the directions for today. I will see you tomorrow.